High above the crowded streets where skyscrapers stretch their glass spines into the sky, another world quietly exists. A world where few dare to linger, outside the very windows that reflect the heartbeat of the city. Clinging to the edges of these architectural giants, suspended on narrow platforms and framed by steel cables, are the brave window washers. But they do not rise and fall by muscle alone. Instead, they rely on a simple yet brilliant mechanical system, one that has stood the test of time: the pulley. And in this story of physics, engineering, and trust in motion, we uncover the deeper answer to a question few have asked but all depend upon. Why do window washing platforms use pulleys? The answer is found where human need meets timeless ingenuity, right here on History of Simple Things. To answer that, we must first understand what a pulley truly is. At its most basic, a pulley is a wheel on an axle designed to support movement and redirect force using a rope or cable. This seemingly unremarkable invention, dating back thousands of years to ancient civilizations like Mesopotamia and Egypt, plays a foundational role in reducing the amount of effort needed to lift heavy loads. In the world of modern high-rise maintenance, pulleys are not just useful, they are essential. When window washers are lifted hundreds of feet into the air, it's not brute strength or simple machinery that elevates them. It's a coordinated system of pulleys and counterweights engineered for safety, balance, and precision. Window washing platforms, sometimes referred to as suspended scaffolds or BMUs, building maintenance units, are designed to carry both people and their tools safely up and down the facades of towering buildings. These platforms must be strong, stable, and easily maneuverable. Pulleys are at the core of this motion. They allow the cables, anchored to motors or hoists at the rooftop, to travel through various directional guides, distributing weight and friction in a way that makes vertical motion smooth and controlled. Without pulleys, the weight of the platform and its occupants would exert immense strain on the lifting mechanism, making the operation inefficient, unsafe, or outright impossible. The mechanics of the system are deceptively elegant. Most window washing platforms use a combination of powered hoists and pulley wheels, where steel cables run through these wheels at key points along the rig. When the motor is activated, it winds or unwinds the cable, which, thanks to the pulley, redirects that force vertically. This means that a hoist mounted horizontally at the rooftop can lift or lower the platform far below by using pulleys to change the direction of the tension. It's this redirection that makes the system flexible, allowing equipment to be mounted safely and out of the way, while the platform glides along the glass walls like a stage suspended in midair. Pulleys also introduce one of the most crucial benefits in vertical work: mechanical advantage. In more complex pulley systems, multiple wheels can be arranged to distribute the weight of the load across several sections of rope. This means that a smaller force can be used to lift a heavier object, an important safety feature in case of motor failure or during manual operation. For emergency situations, pulleys ensure that workers can be slowly lowered to the ground with controlled effort. In this way, pulleys are not just about convenience, they're about survival. But not all pulley systems are created equal. In permanent installations on modern skyscrapers, the pulley system is part of a sophisticated, integrated rig. Counterweights balance out the weight of the platform, and safety brakes engage if the cable tension is lost or disrupted. These systems are regulated by rigorous engineering codes, regularly inspected and designed with redundancy in mind. On smaller buildings or temporary platforms, simpler pulley setups might be used, but they still depend on the same principles. The underlying goal is always the same: create a system where motion is predictable, manageable, and secure. Beyond the mechanics, pulleys offer something else: flexibility. As city skylines evolve, buildings no longer have simple flat walls. There are curves, angles, glass domes, and deep architectural recesses. A rigid elevator-like system could never accommodate the variety of paths a window washer needs to take. With pulleys and movable anchors, platforms can navigate around corners, adjust to different elevations, and even be pulled into awkward spaces. The system allows operators to customize their path down the facade without sacrificing stability. It's this adaptability that makes pulley systems irreplaceable in modern exterior maintenance. In addition, pulleys contribute to the overall efficiency of the operation. Because pulleys reduce the amount of energy needed to lift a load, motors used in these platforms can be smaller, consume less power, and experience less wear and tear over time. This extends the life of the equipment and lowers operating costs, which is especially important for building maintenance teams that work daily on high-rise structures. And with fewer breakdowns and less maintenance, there's a direct increase in safety for the workers whose lives depend on these machines functioning flawlessly. Safety, in fact, is the invisible thread that connects every pulley, cable, and bolt in these systems. It's not just a feature, it's a mindset, built into the design, rehearsed in procedures, and reinforced through regular inspection. For a window washer suspended hundreds of feet above ground, trust in the platform is everything. Pulleys must spin freely. Cables must remain strong and secure. Tension has to be just right, tight enough to hold, but never strained to the point of failure. Engineers account for more than just weight. They consider wind speeds, building sway, and even how metal parts expand or contract with temperature. Redundant features like backup cables and emergency brakes aren't luxuries, they're essentials. Together, these elements form a system in perfect balance, allowing people and machines to move in harmony with gravity, not against it. So the next time you glance up at the glass towers and see those small platforms inching their way down the shimmering walls, know that what holds them aloft is more than steel and rope. It is the legacy of simple physics, ancient ingenuity, and relentless modern engineering. The pulley, a wheel with a rope, may seem humble, even old-fashioned, but up there in the clouds, it's a symbol of trust. It is a timeless tool that safely transports people through the sky, one rotation at a time. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.